see me, I've been shouting I'm a champion, boy, it ain't been easy. See, I ain't got no fear, I'm chilling with a god. Took on a hurricane, then I made it through a flood. I had rough fears, there were nightmares, like I'm killing in the dark with no headlight. Look, I ain't never blazed that kush, I swear, yet I made it through the struggle with my head high. You got me here like, oh my God, how did this happen? Look, now that I'm rapping, tell me how did I go to something from nothing? Hey, they try to bring me down, well it's really entertaining. You cut off my legs, but at the end of the day I still be standing singing.
Lone wolves ride alone and I'm cool with that. I'ma do what I wanna do, ain't no holding back. Step up in my face, I'ma pull the rabbit out the hat. Boy, you might get wrecked, you better check who I've been rolling with. Lone wolves ride alone and I'm cool with it. I'ma do what I wanna do, ain't no holding back. Step up in my face, I'ma pull the rabbit out the hat. Boy, you might get wrecked, you better check who I've been rolling with. God,
simmer down, see me on my vibe, don't kill it now. See, I'ma rise high, watch me fly now. Always on the grind, LoneWolf, I'ma go wild. They could go ahead, talk about me.
Don't run your mouth.
See, I'm just minding my business, don't even mind me. I'm just trying to put up my kicks. Gotta make a living, gotta stack those bricks. Who can I trust, cause they all got tricks. And tricks are for kids and them critics while I'm eating cricks flexing. Let them know that they can't hold me. Broken chains, boy, I've been set free. And I ain't a slave to the system, you can't own me.
Lone wolves ride alone and I'm cool with that. I'ma do what I wanna do, ain't no holding.
step up in my face, I'ma pull the rabbit out the hat. Boy, you might get wrecked, you better check who I've been